Let's take this problem from JEE Advanced 2020 paper 1, which is taken from the topic conic section, and the question is, let a, b and lambda be the positive real numbers, and suppose p is the endpoint of the latest rectum of the parabola y square equal to 4 lambda x, and suppose the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 passes through the point P if the tangent to the parabola and ellipse at the point P are perpendicular to each other, then the eccentricity of the ellipse. We have to find out the eccentricity of the ellipse. So what exactly is the question is, they have given us a standard parabola y square is equal to 4 lambda x. Now from the end point of the latest rectum of this parabola, so if we have the standard parabola y square equal to 4ax, the end point of the latest rectum of that parabola is given by a comma plus minus 2a. So in this case, in place of a there is lambda, so we will write the end point as lambda comma plus minus 2 lambda. I can pick up any one of the end points. Say if I take lambda comma 2 lambda as the point P given in the question. So this would be the coordinate of the point P. Now from this point P, if I draw the tangent to the parabola, then what would be the equation to the tangent in the point form, that is given by y1 is equal to 2a multiplied by x plus x1. So the equation of the tangent will be, in this case, y into, instead of y1 I will write 2 lambda is equal to 2a. So 4a is 4 lambda, so 2a is equal to 2 lambda multiplied by x plus x1 is lambda. So the equation of the tangent finally comes out to be y is equal to x plus lambda. So the slope of the tangent, if I denote it by m1 for this particular parabola, will be given by 1 if I compare it with y equal to mx plus c equation. Now coming on to the ellipse, which they have given as x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is also a standard ellipse, and they have given us that this point P lies on the ellipse, and we need to find out now the equation of the tangent to the ellipse at this particular point. So again we will use the point form of the equation of the tangent. So it will be given by x multiplied by x1, instead of x there is lambda, divided by a square, plus y multiplied by y1, instead of y1 I will write 2 lambda, divided by b square is equal to 1. This would be the equation of the tangent to this particular ellipse. Now what we can do is, we can find out the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent, if I write it as m2, so that will be given by, it is of the form equation of the straight line ax plus by equal to c. The slope is given by minus a by b, that means negative of the coefficient of x, which is lambda upon a square, divided by the coefficient of y, which is 2 lambda upon b square in this case. So lambda gets cancelled out, b square goes up, and we get 2a square in the denominator with the minus sign. So this would be the equation of the tangent, slope of the tangent to the ellipse. Now both the tangents as per the question are perpendicular to each other. So if the tangents are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slope will be equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1. So m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to minus of b square divided by 2a square, which is equal to minus 1, which implies b square will equals to 2a square. So b is greater than a in this case, so it is something sort of a vertical ellipse, and the eccentricity of such ellipse will be given by 1 minus a square by b square. So here you can see that a square by b square is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value of e square. 1 minus a square by b square is e square. So if I write a square by b square as 1 by 2, your e square will be equal to 1 by 2. That means e is equal to 1 upon root 2. So the eccentricity of this ellipse is equal to 1 upon root 2. So a fairly simple problem which we have solved it.